And here I'm going to start with 6 units of dried shiitake, which you can find in Asian stores and also in large supermarkets. 400 ml of water at room temperature. And here we're going to let it soak for at least 20 minutes. And from here, we're going to make the dashi, the mushroom dashi. We're going to, in quotes, season this water in another container. 3 eggs, they can be medium to large size, okay? Pudding, right? Japanese savory pudding, I really like it. And here we're going to beat it well. This is one of the simplest recipes with the simplest ingredients for chawanmushi there is. You guys are going to be surprised too by the number of ingredients and by the ingredients we'll use. It's pretty simple, right? Here, everything well blended. Let's set it aside. While the mushroom is soaking, cut 100 grams of tofu. This is firm tofu, but you can use soft tofu as well. Just cut it into squares. Here. All done here. I'll set it aside and cut just a little bit of green onion, about the length of a finger. The amount is up to your taste. Meanwhile, put a little bit of water to boil. And here, after 30 minutes, I said 20 minutes, but I left it for 10 more minutes because there were some mushrooms that weren't soft, but now they're all soft. Here, I'm going to take the mushroom out of the water, set it aside, and add all the water to the egg. Mix everything very well. Now let's season it. Add a heaping teaspoon of fish dashi, half a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of mirin. Mix everything together very well again. And now let's set it aside. And here I'll do it in this big bowl, but you can also use small bowls. I'm going to add half the amount of tofu, half the amount of green onions, and half the amount of shiitake mushrooms. Now add our broth until it covers. Don't fill it up to the brim because it will expand a little. Cover with aluminum foil. Make sure it's well covered. The water started boiling. Place our bamboo steamer. And goodbye, love. And cover it. Let's steam it for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, be careful when taking it out of the pot. And just look at how it turned out. It turns out just like gelatin, a great dish for those who go to the gym because it's healthy and full of protein. Learn, master, and cook like a professional.